this is a little Airbnb cottage. There's a main house up front. I have to go out here to show you. Got a nice little yard. I was able to put the dog's fence out here, and I have their gate if I want to keep them inside. And this way I can contain where they go to the bathroom, easier to clean up. And there's no full fence, so Zenji will find a way to escape. There's all sorts of holes where he can get out. So there's the house, but we can't seem to get in. So there's an issue there. Very cute and quaint. Little beach house and cottage in Florence. So now I'm trying to warm up my dinner, and I heated up my bean and rice thing here, and I'm toasting these. I'm not really sure it's warm. Oh, it's finally getting hot. Took me a minute to figure out. There's an extension cord down here because the convection oven didn't reach. So I got that figured out. Making a little dinner. Then I gotta feed the dogs. Doggy. And I think I'm gonna chill out, maybe take a little nap while I wait for the rest of the gang to show up. I'm sore, really sore, because I have now made like 4 trips up to that house. And if you saw earlier, it's quite a hike up there. So it's a nice house, very nice in there. It wasn't really anywhere to easily take the dogs out. The lower level bedroom, you have to come all the way out the hallway and to the side kitchen door, and then there's only a deck. So it would have been a lot of messy cleanup, and this is so much better for the pups and me. So I do have to get some frozen food up there tonight. Hopefully my grandson will help me with that. Grandsons, there's going to be 2 of them. So